Save your iPhone battery with these simple steps. 1. Turn off background app refresh. First, open Settings. Go to General. Click on Background App Refresh. If this is turned on, your apps are constantly refreshing in the background, using data, processor power, and draining your battery even when you're not using them. Switch it to off. 2. Disable Always On Display. Next, go to Settings and scroll through the display and brightness. Click on Always On Display and turn Always On Display off. 3. Change Mail Fetch to Manual. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps. Again, scroll down until you find Mail, click on it. Here, tap on the accounts and fetch new data. Change this to Manual. Now your iPhone only checks for mail when you open the Mail app. 4. Turn off AirDrop receiving. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Next, click on the connectivity block and tap on AirDrop. If it's set to Contacts Only or Everyone, switch it to Receiving Off. You can always turn it back on quickly from the control center when you actually need it. No need to keep it active 24/7. 5. Control Location Services. Go to Settings. Scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. Here, Location Services. If an app doesn't truly need GPS access, set it to Never or While using the app. GPS is one of the biggest battery consumers on any smartphone. Then scroll down to System Services and turn off Significant Locations. Location-based analytics. iPhone analytics. These run quietly in the background, tracking usage and movement. 6. Enable optimized battery charging. Go to Settings, tap Battery, select Charging, turn on optimized battery charging. 7. Restart your iPhone regularly. Go to Settings, tap on General. Here, scroll down, then tap on Shutdown and power off your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary processes, resets background tasks, and can noticeably improve battery efficiency. Most people never restart their phones, but it actually helps a lot.